Hello, humanities students. So this video will help you finish up the Islam in America assignment. So I'm going to go to Teams. I'm going to use cohort 2. They're right there. So what you're going to do is go to your general channel, find the assignment tab, patiently wait as it loads. Okay, and it's right here, Islam in America, videos and reflections. Open it. Student view, you'll see this. I recommend opening it in Word Online, but however you're comfortable is fine, just as long as you turn it in after you're done. So we'll wait for the document to load. Remember, you're watching 4 videos. There's 3 questions that go with each video. Okay, so it looks like we're all in, making sure you can edit. Not ready yet. Not ready yet. All right, looks ready. So here, editing, make any changes. Just to make sure, type hi somewhere. Okay, you know that it's working when you can type into it. So each page is set up the same. You have a chart that has character traits on it, okay, to help you with question 2. So each video has a chart and the same questions. Okay, there's video 3, Millennial Muslims, and video 4, Hajj stories from the Bay Area. Okay, so I'll just show you how this is done using video 1, Meet a Muslim. So we're going to watch one video at a time. After each video, complete the set of prompts below. So to access the link, you can right-click, open link, or depending on your computer, you might double-click with the left, double tap. Okay. So the video opens. You'll watch the video. Okay, and get to the end. When you're done watching the video, you're going to go back and answer the questions. What is my overall impression of the people in this video? My overall impression of the people in this video is, and you're going to answer the question, finish the sentence. Okay. The second one is where the character trait chart comes in. Okay. So after I watch the video, I feel like these people are nice. They're really nice, but I want a better word. So I come over here to nice. I see bright, cheerful. Oh, they're definitely cheerful. So I'm going to use that character trait, cheerful, and then explain why. The important part, explain why. So I think these folks are cheerful. People in this video are cheerful because they are smiling and laughing. Then I'm going to pick 2 more traits and do the same thing, explain why I chose those traits for the people in the video. And then the third one, how has this video provided more insight or understanding? So for me, I would say I knew that not all Muslims wore traditional garb, that's dress, clothes. But it was great to see it. Exactly how they dressed. Here. Okay, and then you're just going to repeat the process for videos 2, 3, and 4. When you're all done, let me get my stuff out of here first. Doesn't carry over. Whoa. Delete. Delete. And delete. So when you're all done, close it. And then up here will be a turn in button. Just click the turn in. Okay, hope this helped. Have a great day.